everyone, this is Ayushi Verma from Invest to Learn Academy, and today we are here on Crypto TV to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So in this analysis, I'll be using the daily chart and we'll try to find out what the charts are telling us technically. So for that, we will be starting up with the trend. We'll try to find out what is the trend. We will look at the moving averages and RSI level. Also, we will try to find out the support and resistance levels for the two currencies. So I'll be quickly moving to the price of Bitcoin first. So this is the current market price of Bitcoin, which is somewhere around trading at 37,988, which is very near to 38,000. And if you just look at the trend, so daily trend as of now, it is bearish, which means the price is making the formation of lower lows and lower highs. Also look at the RSI, which is at 41. So the RSI lower level is somewhere around 30, and recently the RSI for Bitcoin is started going up. So it's, you can say that you might see little upside movement in the price of Bitcoin from the lower levels. Now here I'm also using the three exponential moving averages for three different time frames, which are 50 days, 100 days and 200 days. Now the 50 EMA stands at 42,600. 100 EMA stands at 46,160 and 200 EMA stands at exactly at 47,000. Now I have taken out some of the support and resistance levels. So daily support 1 level stands at 35,335. Support 2 stands at 29,713. Resistance 1 stands at 41,211 and resistance 2 stands at 45,332. Quickly, I'll be moving to the chart of Bitcoin. And let's see what we are getting it from the chart. Okay, now if you just look at here, you can see that this is the daily chart and you can see this is the trend. So this trend is basically a bearish trend, which is very nicely behaving on the chart. And if you just look at closely here, this is the current candle for today, and yesterday it was up by 1%. And if you just look at today, it's also somewhere around 2% move the price is giving you as of now. So somewhere around you can see by the end of the day you might get the clarity what gonna be the trend for the Bitcoin. And one thing which is I can see from the chart is very important, which the price is at very near to this particular downtrend line. Now if you just look at here, there can be two things which can happen to the price of Bitcoin. One, if the price breaks this price breaks this trend line, you might see some trend reversal activity there, and if not, you might see another fall from the price of the Bitcoin. As of now, the volumes are less since we can see lot of trading activity happening majorly in the evening. So you might wait for that time frame as well. Also, if you just look at the RSI, so it's now started going up. Also, we can see the moving averages here. So recently we got a crossover, but still, we are not getting a good difference between these two moving averages lines. So that also, tells us that, okay, the trading activity is not much in this particular cryptocurrency. So this is how, you can just look at the technical outlook, and very nicely, the price is trading in between the support 1 and resistance 1. So these are the two levels, and from past many days, we can see this movement only. So not much movement, we have seen from the chart of Bitcoin. So this is, the first currency. Let me quickly move on to the Ethereum now. Okay, so for Ethereum, it's trading at 2,835. Again, here also we are getting a bearish trend. But RSI is slightly better than, the Bitcoin level. So it's currently at 47, and it's very near to the 50 levels, by the way. Also here, the 50 EMA stands at 3,171. 100 EMA stands at 3,434. 200 EMA stands at 3,348. So the daily support and resistance levels are S1, support 1 stands at 2,336, support 2 stands at 1,817, resistance 1 stands at 2,855 and resistance 2 stands at 3,361. So the current market price is lesser than the moving averages, which can, the same situation we have seen in the case of Ethereum as well as in case of the Bitcoin. So that also tells us that the trend is into the downtrend. And this is the chart of Ethereum. Almost you can see the same activity happening here also. So the trend is down, but still we can see little good movement, upside movement in case of Ethereum, which is missing in case of Bitcoin. So today it is up by 5% as of now. So we need to wait for the closing since the volume is less as of now. So let's see whether the price will break the resistance level or not. So it's like very near to this resistance level. However, if you just go through the trend, so the trend is basically a downtrend. So we might see if the price is not able to break this resistance, we might see fall as well, because again the price will make lower low and lower high formation. As of now, the RSI is at 48, again very near to the 50 level. Also look at the crossing, look at the moving averages. So as of now we are not getting any crossover here, but there is still a divergence between these two lines. So we need to wait for the moving averages to give us any confirmation, to give us any indication. So this is how you can see the technical outlook for Ethereum. And again the price is very nicely trading just below than this particular trend line. So we need to wait whether the price will give a breakout here or not. So every day we are going to do this kind of analysis. I hope you gain something from this analysis. So be with us every day. Thank you so much.